Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing this makeup look, well, this makeup eye on this one, and I am using the Daisy Marquez palette with bhcosmetics. I wanted to switch it up a little bit and do a little more variety of palettes in my channel because I know I usually just use Morphe, but I wanted to use this palette because it's so beautiful. I like the packaging when I got it. I actually thought it was like a Tiffany's box, and it looks like this, and then when you open it you can actually take this part off and it's a little mirror, and then you can turn it into like a little vanity. So I really like that. It's really cute and unique packaging. So I am going to be doing this makeup look, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. I actually just finished doing it. I wasn't going to film it because, oh my god, I don't know, I just haven't been feeling like motivated to be filming and all that stuff, but I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and film it, because I know that once I do this makeup look and I try to recreate it again, I actually don't get it right and I forget what I use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. So I'll be listing all the products I use at the bottom bar, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with Vintage first. It's this like burnt orangey shade, and I'm going to apply it with a Morphe R39 brush. If you guys are interested in purchasing Morphe brushes, oops, sorry, forgot to put my phone on vibrate. Use Pretty Grace for some money off. I really appreciate when you guys use my discount code, and if you guys do send me a screenshot of the receipt or whatever, I will repost it on my Instagram and Snapchat. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Vintage, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. I haven't been doing talk through videos because I don't have a microphone and I live in a busy street, so you can hear all the noise and it really bothers me. So I know it bothers a lot of you guys and I get it a lot. So I'm going to apply it right onto my crease. And I do take my time applying this color, especially on my crease, because I really want it to be very intense. I usually would start with a lighter shade, but I'm going to actually apply this first, then I'm going to apply a lighter shade to blend it out. I think I'm going to apply a little bit of setting powder. I didn't have to do it on this eye, but just to be safe, I'm going to apply a little bit because I don't want it to mess up my face makeup. So I'm just going to go just on my crease, and I'm making sure that it's very pigmented, even though I will have to go back after I blend it out because I lose the intensity once I blend out the harsh lines on the side. So yeah, so I'm just going to go back and forth, and I like to kind of open my eye a little bit just to kind of see where I'm at, because I do have a fold, so I do want the shadow to pop when I open my eyes. So that should be good. Then I'm going with Dulce and Flower. So there's these two shades right here, mixing those two together with a Morphe R39 brush. These are my favorite brushes to apply and blend, so definitely check them out. So I'm just going right where the color ends, and I'm just going to blend that out. So that's going to give me like a orangey yellow shade. Just blend that out. So I'm gonna excuse if you guys hear noises or cars passing. Like I said, I don't have a microphone right now, so I'm using my camera and it picks up all the noises, so it's really hard. That's why I wasn't really talking in my last two videos, but I know you guys like me talking, so yeah. Alright, so the next color I'm using is called Royalty, and it's this bronzy shade right here. I've been really obsessed with bronzy shades. Like I said in my last video, I'm over winter, I'm ready for summer. I want to be tanned, I want to be at the pool, I want to hang out, I want the kids to be out so we can just hang at the pool the whole summer. So yeah, I'm using a Morphe M224 brush. I threw away all my old brushes and I'm slowly getting new brushes, and I really love Morphe. Even though I work with them, I really do love Morphe, so I do use almost all their brushes. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to apply it right onto the lid, and I'm just holding my eye a little bit and then just applying that color all over the lid. I'm not going way too high up because I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything. I just want my whole lid to have that color because it is so pretty. So I think that's good. Then I'm going to grab this Time Los Angeles brush. A lot of you guys asked me about these brushes. These are from Time Los Angeles. They're marble. I do have a discount code with them. It's Pretty Little Miss Grace. If you guys are interested in purchasing products from her, she has eyelashes, brushes, she has clothes and stuff. So definitely check her out. I'm going to apply Bougie, this color right here, and this one's gonna go in the inner corner of my eye. I am going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray and then dip into that color and then just go and apply this right here. All right, that should be good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to apply Vintage again, and I'm going to use a Morphe M321 brush. It's a pencil brush. I just recently got this one. I was looking for a smaller pencil brush so I can apply eyeshadow on the bottom lash line. I do have another one. This is the M574. It's a lot more pointier. This one's a lot smaller to me, I feel. So this one is great for under the eyes. So I'm going to apply this first, and I'm just gonna go back and forth. I try not to go too down because sometimes I do go overboard and I do apply the shadow a little bit too low, and then it gets all messed up, and then I have to like kind of clean it out with a makeup wipe. But yeah, so this one helps a lot. Then I'm going to use this other brush. I have no idea where I got this brush. I've had it since I began doing YouTube videos, but it's another pencil brush. And I did apply, well, not apply anything, but I grabbed a makeup wipe and I kind of just cleaned it a little bit so it got wet. You can apply setting spray if you want. I'm going with Passion Fruit. It'll be this color, burgundy-ish color here. And that's going to go in the outer corner. This might be a little too big, but I used it for this eye, so should be fine. And this is just going to darken the outer corner. I kind of wanted to dry it a little bit. I think I wetted too much. Let me try the other brush. I did wet it a little bit too much. And then I'm just going back again with that same orangey shade and just kind of blend everything. And then I go with that Flower and Dulce again, those two colors, and then just use it to blend out the bottom. Then I'm just going to grab my brush and clean out any fallout with the setting powder or whatever. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelash. If I remember where I put it, because I just had it here. Crap, I must have dropped it. Oh, here it is. Dropped it. Okay, so I'm going to grab my eyelash and apply some eyelash glue. And yeah. Gonna let it dry a little bit. While that dries, I'm actually going with the MAC liquid lipstick. This one is called Lust. It's a lip gloss, and I'm going to apply this on my lips. This is a nude color, I know, but it has color. You guys can see it has a color, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be applying is a Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. So I'm still waiting for the top to dry a little because I can feel that it's moving every time I blink. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna apply some mascara, and then I'll show you guys the last how it all looks. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you guys love me so much, don't forget to share my videos. It means so much to me. I really appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.